Hello, welcome to today's vlog. In this video, I'll be showing you how to maintain a front load washing machine. In this case, we have the Ramtoms 12 kg machine. Tub cleaning is recommended for your machine to be done regularly, so that to remove the detergent buildup, the bad odor, and also remove the residues. If you do this regularly, it is going to give your washing machine optimal performance. You begin by removing the cover. This cloth is used to cover the machine to keep it away from dirt and dust, so that you can help maintain that new look. This cover is waterproof. You remove it and soak it, then you clean it separately. And you can use any detergent. In this case, I just use the Toss white powder to clean the cover separately. I begin by washing the detergent tray. This compartment, as you can see, is very dirty. So you detach it slowly. And it's one of the parts that has a lot of detergent buildups and stains. To wash the machine, I'll use the basin, microfiber cloth, these brushes, a toothbrush, and also a sponge. Before you begin cleaning, put a rag on the floor so that it can collect the water that is dropping down. Then get warm water and soap. This is what I'm using to scrub the detergent compartment and the tray. Keep scrubbing until it's clean. After you're done cleaning it, just rinse them up with cold water. As you can see, the detergent compartment is really stained and messed up. So this is mainly because of the hard water. Sometimes you find that the water supply is not very clean, and also the soaps. So use the brush to scrub, especially the inner part, the top part. You scrub until you see the stains have started coming out. At this point, I'm sure you can notice that the stains are less. Be thorough and patient. Keep scrubbing. All the stains are removed, especially the stubborn stains. You just wet your microfiber cloth with warm water that has vinegar, and then you leave it to soak for a while, like 10 to 20 minutes. After a while, you will notice that even the stubborn stains are now clean. After you're done, replace back the detergent tray. Slowly, be gentle to avoid breakage. Then you see this part, the outlet part is the one that collects the residue or the buttons, the zips, the lint and other darts from your laundry. So open this part, slowly turn it in the anti-clockwise direction. You see that it has collected a lot of water, dirty water. If this part is not regularly washed, it can be a source of bad odor. After you're done, as you can see, you scrub it thoroughly with the brush, water, and then you rinse it up. Then you replace back the lid. To wash this other part, the rubber, use slightly warm water and vinegar and soap. When using the same tools we used, you scrub. As you can see, even the rubber collects a lot of dirt. And the water that is coming out of being drained from your laundry comes out of this part. And if the rubber part is not washed regularly, it also develops some molding and odor. Sometimes I add the bicarbonate of soda just to ensure that it is super clean. After you're done, rinse out with soapy water. If you don't like the smell of vinegar, you can put a drop of essential oil when used in the rinsing water, just to make sure that it smells better. Then this is how the drum looks like. From a distance you can think it's clean, but there is need to regularly wash it to avoid molding inside or clogging of these poles. So for today's cleaning, I'll use the Dr. Expert tablet for tub cleaning. So this one you only require one tablet which you put into the drum. Before running the tub clean option, ensure that your power supply is okay by checking your surge protector or the guard. Then you run a cycle at 60 to 19 degrees Celsius. It's recommended that you use above 60 degrees Celsius so that all the germs and the moldings can be cleaned. For Ramtoms, you see most of them don't have that that labeling of tub clean. So you use my cycle, then you adjust, you make sure it goes to 90, in this case it's 90 degrees Celsius, and I also added an extra rinse. When the cycle ends, leave the door open for at least 2 hours for it to dry. If possible, leave it overnight. Once you're done with the inside and the cycle has come to an end, wash the outer part of the machine. Then after you're done, you can now replace the cover. By this time it's washed and dry. You replace it Then you can now pimp it back or put the decor or just leave it, depending with your taste. So it is that easy. Tub cleaning is recommended that you do it like at least once a month, but if you regularly use your washing machine, you can do it after every 2 weeks. So consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.